guys, we're here doing the pilgrimage again. Let's get this thing started. So this year is going to be our first time as vendors this time for the pilgrimage. We did a vendor event, I think 2 or 3 months ago in West Pennsylvania, or Central Pennsylvania actually. It was a lot of fun, met a lot of you guys, and it was a great time. So definitely trying to do more of these. And as a pilgrimage vendor, I'm actually running a little tour group. So we're gonna be hitting our first trail in about 4 minutes. Should be a lot of fun.
Many of you guys who have been following my channel know that I quit my day job back in October 2022 to pursue this dream full time. I've been very fortunate to attend events like this one throughout 2023 as a vendor, to meet many of you guys who support this channel. Now, what is this dream, you might ask? I ask myself that every single day.
So that's the crew, guys. A little small today, but all good. Gotta move this tree out the way.
I'll tell you what it's definitely not.
Alright, come forward. Go a little passenger side.
It's not the endless meetings, phone calls, and emails.
Stay, keep going straight. You're good, you passed it.
It's not about making the most money, to buy the most expensive stuff, to show off to people who, at the end of the day, doesn't even care.
Driver, slow, go real slow, bro. Driver, a little bit more driver. Go passenger a little bit.
Most of us, including myself, have gone after bigger paying positions and less fulfilling assignments at some point in order to make the most money. But what I've come to realize is when we do that, we give up a little bit of our soul. We give up a little bit more of that childlike wonder, that need for play, that feeling for adventure. We are all humans, and we are also beautifully flawed. We are all moving towards that pursuit of happiness, towards love, towards a deep sense of purpose.
There you go.
Yeah, that's the small clutch because it was on 4 high.
I never really know what I'm doing, to be honest with you. But I do know that every day I can figure it out. Every day has been an opportunity for learning to do better, to create, to push boundaries ever so slightly. I think of my work every day similarly to how an ant moves that one grain of sand, which eventually becomes a majestic and complex ant colony dwelling. Each grain of sand moved is like how we spent each day of our lives in the pursuit of a deep and meaningful goal. How many grains of sand have you moved to push your dream a little more? We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. This is Will Durant on Aristotle. What are you repeatedly doing?
Alright, we're gonna tension it, so we're gonna need you guys to go slow. There you go. Keep going. Keep going.
This past year has been a huge learning experience in how to make this business better, how to provide as much value to the best of my abilities, and how to need less stuff in my life. For those of you guys undertaking a very big project, remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, but they were laying bricks every hour. You don't have to build everything you want today. Just lay a brick. That's from James Clear. Going back to my initial question, what is my dream? It's the constant learning, the push towards creation and adventure. It's the creative proliferation that will hopefully someday inspire. How about you? What is your dream? What are you doing to get there? I hope you have a great and prosperous new year. Thanks for watching.